Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. First, share with you guys. This is red tops tree. Red tops tree is a precious medicine used to make medicine to improve brain circulation, effectively treat atherosclerosis. Red tops tree, also known as tannan. People have used this medicinal plant as medicine to help them recover quickly. It is regarded by the poor as ginseng. Science name: Crotoxylon prunifolium Dyer. Describe the tree. Although used for a long time, few people know about this plant. So that you can identify this tree, here is a picture of red tops. Stem: large trunk, can reach 13 m high, small branches with fuzz when young. Leaves: lanceolate, red tip on young leaves, 12-15 cm long, 3-5 cm wide. Flower: white or slightly purplish, clustered in leaf axils. Small egg-shaped stick, fruit size of 1.5 cm by 0.8 cm, with O1 seed size 0.6 cm x 0.3 cm. Distribution area: in the lowlands, this medicinal plant is rarely encountered. The evergreen tree grows much in the mountains, especially in the mountainous areas where the soil is red. Parts used: leaves, roots and bark are parts used in medicine for a long time in folk. Chemical composition: 2 substances in the leaves of the branch, tannins and flavonoids. The leaves of the branch have a very strong antioxidant effect. If compared with the medicinal herbs with strong oxidizing activity, the leaves are at the top of the table. Today the stick is also used as a medicine to help protect cells, prevent atherosclerosis, enhance brain circulation. Taste: leaves are mildly sweet, slightly bitter, slightly acidic and acrid. Cool, very rooted, drinkable as a daily tea. Uses of the bar plant. As a medicine has long been used in the people, through many thorough research works. We can apply the prongs as medicine to treat some of the following diseases. Treatment effect: atherosclerosis, cerebral insufficiency. Effect: to enhance memory, protect brain cells. The effect of enhancing digestion, helping to sleep well. Effect: to enhance health, anti-aging, increase longevity. Cancer prevention effect. Subjects used: intellectual workers, working in an environment with intense work intensity. Elderly people with memory loss, often forget. People with atherosclerosis. People with cerebral palsy, cerebral anemia. People with poor digestion, poor appetite, poor sleep, anemia. Ordinary people use daily to improve health, prevent cancer, and memory conditions. Postpartum women should use the prongs to restore health soon. People with cancer should use it. Usage: dosage. Can use fresh or dried leaves, all have good effects. Dosage: dry leaves, 30 grams. Fresh leaves, 60 grams. Add 1 liter of boiling water, incubate for about 30 minutes as used. Note, should perform the rinse move through boiling water 1 time before. The taste of the barb's tea will be more delicious. I have shared with you about red tops tree, one of the precious medicinal plants in traditional medicine. Thank you for watching. 2. Ground pine tree treats brain atrophy, Alzheimer's, restores memory. In this video, I will introduce you a precious medicine used to treat dementia. This drug is called pine tree. Ground pine is one of the very few herbs that can treat dementia. Dementia in the elderly, also known as Alzheimer's disease, which means a lot to us. Currently, there are not many species used to treat Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is also known as brain atrophy. This is a common disease common in the elderly. The manifestation of such a condition is amnesia, impaired ability to remember, such as forgetting the names of descendants, forgetting the tasks that they do daily. When the disease gets worse, patients may lose their memory. Forget about the most normal activities such as eating, drinking, using the toilet. There is no small impact on the life of the sick as well as relatives. Introduction of ground pine. Ground pines are also known as wolf paws, dragon antennae, geckos. Scientific name, Lycopodiella cernuae, of the yew tree family. For a long time, the world's science has researched and proved the effectiveness of pine tree Alzheimer's treatment. In 1948, scientists found a valuable active ingredient in the pine tree to prevent memory loss, help increase the transmission capacity of the central nervous system, and treat dementia in humans old. Pine conifer, also known as a pine tree, is a rare and common tree that grows in the rocky, mountainous highlands. Describe the shape. The tree is called pine ground because the trunk is shaped like a pine tree. The tree has a height of about 20 cm, grows close to the ground, grows in arid areas with rocks and gravel. Effects of pine trees. Ground pine is effective in treating Alzheimer's disease. According to the researchers, this herb is highly effective in improving memory. It is even stronger than a drug used to treat memory disorders used in the US. But according to researchers, must continue to study more carefully about this medicinal plant before making final conclusions. Summarizing, trees has the following main effects. Prevention and treatment of brain atrophy, Alzheimer. Regenerating and increasing the ability to conduct transmission in the central nervous system. Memory recovery, treatment of memory loss in the elderly. Subjects used: people with brain atrophy, Alzheimer's, dementia. Patients with epilepsy, people with amnesia, dementia. Patients with elevated liver enzymes, liver heat. How to use it as medicine. Used to treat memory loss, brain atrophy, Alzheimer. Pine tree dry soil 15 g, boil with 800 ml liters of water. Boil down to 400 ml, divided into 3 times to drink during the day. Or combine with red tops, 15 g ground pine plus 15 g red tops, boil with 800 ml of water. And boil down to 400 ml, divided into 3 drinks a day. Patients with elevated liver enzymes, hot liver, 15 g pine land plus 30 red liver tops. Oil with 800 ml of drinking water 3 times a day. Stroke patients, 30 g ground pine plus 30 g red tops with 1 liter of drinking water a day. I have shared with you about pine trees. A great medicine for people with dementia. Thank you for watching the video. Hope my share will be helpful to you. Wish you always healthy, happy and successful.